Bam! We're back at it again. Alright, on this video, we're just gonna be doing a daily vlog, alright? So let's check this project out. Let's turn this camera around. Bam! Alright. So here we prepped, there was a bunch of old grass and plants and everything around here, right? Some landscaping. So the customer wanted to cut back the sod area. So what we did is we just rearranged the sprinkler heads, put some new bender board, that's what they wanted, and then the customer himself put in this gopher wire. So the guys are coming back right now with some topsoil. What we do is the soil beneath this gopher wire was rototilled, and right now we're gonna add some topsoil all the way across. Everything's perfectly leveled and it all drains. There's a drain over here, let's check it out. It's pretty much like flush with the soil, which will be like an inch below the sod. And then today the sod will go in. Easy project. Alright guys, so as you guys know, I haven't been posting that much at the beginning. Sorry about the sun. I was posting like 2-3 times a week. Now it's just been super busy. You guys know it's summer. A lot of work. Running those 3-4 crews at a time is kind of hard, but we'll try to make it. Check this out. I changed up the truck a little bit. Put some wheels. Changed the logo a little bit. Nice and simple. Alright guys, let's continue this video. Follow me to the next project. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe if you're not subscribed. If you like the content, subscribe. If you don't like it, don't watch it. Simple as that. Alright guys, stay tuned. Bye. Alright guys, here's the other project. Let's turn it around, see what the guys are doing. Oh, the Louis Vuitton. Damn. Oh yeah. Hold up. Give me a second. All right, guys. So here, I guess not. Okay. Oh. Just a little bit. All right, guys. So on this one, there was a bunch of concrete and a bunch of dirt. A lot of stuff going on. So we removed all that. Boom. We ran into a little problem. We weren't too sure if this concrete was poured with what's under this tile here, and I guess it was. So there wasn't no joint right there, so it would break off easy. So what's happening? As soon as we saw it, these were moving. I told the customer, hey, this is one solid pour. We're gonna have to do the pavers. We gotta remove that. But you know, these are gonna start breaking. He said, don't worry about it. Just continue. It's gonna be changed later in the future. So just do what you gotta do. It doesn't matter. I'm like, that's what I love to hear. So I do the best I can right here to cut it. It's a little hard, but check it out. All right. So all of this in here will be concrete. I mean, sorry about that, guys. All in here will be pavers. Yeah, pretty much. Easy money. All right, guys, stay tuned to the next one. All right, third stop of the day, I believe. Let's check this out. Let's turn it around. All right. So here we're prepping for some concrete. So first they had to demo all of this here. ¿Cómo andas, don Luis? Buenos días. ¿Eh? No, no tengo bolsas. Yeah. So here we added some drains. Right there. We're adding this concrete here because all this water drains this way. And this property slopes up. So we're catching the water right here. So then it'll go out to the street. All right, guys. So here the rebar is for mostly it's about 24 to 18 inches on center, give or take. They just ran out. They're gonna go get some more. Here we have some electrical for a future jacuzzi, and then for the water feature, I'll show you guys where it's gonna go. They still need a form on this side. 2x4 right there. And pretty much it. They already checked the levels with the laser. Everything's gonna drain properly to these drains, and the finishers will take care of the rest. Right now they got a little bit of leftover flagstone, so we're gonna find out if we do this walkway or not, just in flagstone. So let's check this out, guys. The water feature is gonna go in this area, so we'll probably be starting that next week, or as soon as we get the kit in, the water kit for the water, the pondless waterfall. It's from Aquascape. So yeah, here it is. It's gonna be really nice. This will be another elevation right here, so it'll be like a little step up. And that's gonna make it look really nice right here. This curb right here. You can step from this lower section to this higher section. Pretty nice. And then we'll probably be doing the grass soon too. All right, guys, stay tuned. I'm going on the next one. Just super busy checking on the projects. There's 2 guys on this one, and on the other project there's 3 guys. So all right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, this is my last stop of the day. Let's turn this around. All right, so here they're doing some new construction. I love these projects. I love new construction. Let's turn it around so you guys can get a little. There it is. There's me right there. All right, enough of that. So here, the wall will finish up right here, and then they'll have the concrete here. So what we'll be doing is a retaining wall from here all the way across, having concrete in here and some sod. Let's take a look. Up here we'll probably put some trellises with some plants, some drip irrigation, and the concrete will come about 6 feet all the way across. Then all in here will be sod, and I think in front of these windows, but on this wall, we'll have some trellises, some custom made trellises. Still working. And here we'll have more concrete in this area for a raised patio right there, looking nice. And then concrete the rest. Boom. Nice, clean, simple. That way they can enjoy it. The wall for the retaining wall is going to be the same color, but it's going to be an Allen block. So yeah, these will be a very nice project. Well, all right, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and share. All right, guys, till next time. All right.